So let's start with the body. I've already cleaned some of the mold lines that there are present, not many, but still here. At the front we have here, it's not very perceptible, but they are here, not cleaned them yet. Also have to fill up these two holes. I don't know why they are here. They're not sinkholes. They are molded, and I don't know why really. Also had to twist the wing a little bit because it was not aligning at the edges, so it was a little bit twisted. But no trouble here too. Now, what I need to do, I'm going to glue the side intakes, and this will be, well, not an easy task, not the gluing part, but the part where you have to fill in here, because it's not very accessible, and I'll see what I can manage here. For the filling, I usually use one of two products that I have. One is this. I don't like Vallejo products very much, especially their paints and well, especially their primer, which is horrible in my opinion. I can't get used to it. If I need to sand down anything, it will just rip itself off. So I don't use it. I tried it once and discarded it. Also, the paints, I don't like them very much. They're I don't know the word to describe them, but they are just bad for me. But this is a very handy product because it has a very thin applicator, and it's very good for filling very tight gaps, and very easy to sand. And why? Because if you have a little gap, let's suppose something like this, and you want to fill it up here, the putty itself will go into the gap, and when you sand it, as happens with the primer, it will just rip itself off, so you get that putty only in the gap. That's why I use it, but only for very small ones. If you try to do a large area, you will probably end with no putty at all. The other thing I use is this. This is not a secret. It's a Tamiya extra thin, another brand, not Tamiya extra thin really, it's another one that I used to have, filled with styrene. So what you get is very thin glue with some plastic, and if you apply it on the gap, the glue will flow into the gap, and the plastic will melt with the part you're using. So what you get in the end is only plastic, so you don't get the risk of the putty. Not really this one specifically, but any putty, you have the risk that it will eventually crack. If I don't know, if you twist or something, or it shrinks, it will eventually crack, and it doesn't happen with this, because it is plastic and it's melted on the other plastic, and it sands down really good. So I'll see which one of these two I'll be using. Probably this one, because it's easier to fix if things don't go very well, unlike this one. And this one is a little bit more messy. So, time to take care of the body. As I said, I'm going to glue the side intakes and fill here to remove the gap, and then we'll go for some painting. So let's get down to it.